Cardano is once again topping the charts. Now, what I'm talking about is development activity. Throughout most of 2022, Cardano was a leading chain when it came to development. We often reference the GitHub reports, and 2023 has really started out the exact same way. Now, if we look at the daily GitHub development activity on January 21st, Cardano once again leaves every chart or every other chain in its wake. Now, this again is a very consistent thing. If we look at month over month, Cardano has crushed the competition. It is booming as far as development goes. And in fact, it is now over 4,800 smart contracts that are live on Cardano itself, as well as over 1,100 projects that are currently being developed. 2023 is really an interesting year when it comes to Cardano. There's lots of developments that are going to go live. We know that JED is supposed to go live here in January. That's the algorithmic stablecoin with 400 to 800% collateral backing it. There's going to be Midnight. It's one of its side chains that are coming. That is a privacy-based side chain. There's Hydra, which helps deal with scalability. That's also another layer 2 chain that's coming. There's USDA. That's another stablecoin. I could go on with all the developments that are coming for Cardano. But 2023 is really poised to be the largest year that Cardano has ever had. Ever since it launched back in 2017, it didn't have what it's got going on now. There weren't all these pending launches ready to break the gates down. And the community is very excited to see this coming. I think all of crypto is really excited to see what Cardano offers once its full infrastructure is really in place. And that's really what 2023 is. It's a year of full infrastructure deployment. Things first became really rolling in fall of last year when we saw the Vassal hard fork get launched, made dApps easier to create, made developers, more inclined to actually build on the Cardano network. During the time of 2022, 2021, and all the years prior to that, it just wasn't really that attractive of a chain, that attractive of a chain. But now it is setting a different tone. 2023 is set to be a great year for Cardano. So I appreciate you as always. If you haven't already, again, do show your support here for the ClearCryptos channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell, stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the ClearCryptos channel. Hope you guys have a great day, and I really hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.